Degrave Street is an iconic Melbourne laneway that distills everything we love about our city into one pint-sized street. Take some time out to explore this street art-filled laneway and its quirky boutiques and eateries. The wonderful city of Melbourne has the glowing reputation of being home to some of the country's friendliest residents, and in the very heart of the city lies the famous Degrave Street. An alley so quaint, welcoming, and packed to the brim with cafes and restaurants of all kinds, it has become one of the most popular destinations for a meal in the entire city. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 Vlogs. Though the whole surrounding area is full of alleyways with cafes, restaurants, and shops, none of the others live up to Degrave's towering reputation. Running between Flinders Street and Flinders Lane, Degrave is a bustling street full of people from around the world who all flock here in search of the ambience and friendly Degrave atmosphere that it is so well known for, since it's located in central Melbourne. The name Degraves is named after the two pioneering merchants, known as William and Charles Degraves, who was responsible for building a steam-driven flour mill on the street in 1851. The Campbell Arcade Underpass was then built in 1955, with its original name being the Degrave Underpass. This connected Flinders Street Station to the laneway, which let walkers take the quick detour to discover a region bursting with shops and artworks. Degrave Street offers the cuisine of many different countries across the globe, from the creamy tomato-filled pizza and pasta of Italy to the light, buttery loaves of bread at the French bakeries. This street is a gold mine for foreign cuisine. Adding the incredible food to the lovely vibe and the multitude of foreigners, it's no surprise that Degrave Street is often compared to the beautiful streets of Southern Europe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.